follow me. You gotta go here. It looks like, see that that's why you, because it. Yeah, once you go in it, you're back to spawn. And this is unfortunately gonna be the ending to this video, but we're gonna make more. We don't know when, but yeah, we're gonna make more, but we don't know when. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It's gonna really help it. And hey, we can maybe meet y'all